secondarians. What a bunch of losers. All of them in a big hurry to get from something stupid to nothing at all.
Do not fret, my little woodland friend, for your life is in the hands of Ace Ventura.
Pathetic. Look at this guy. You believe they call us criminals when he's assaulting us with that haircut? What is this thing? Look how it thinks it's so cool. It's not cool to get help. Walk by yourself, you little gargoyle. And don't give me that look. Don't think you're getting at us by being cute. Well, why are you handing me this? What is this, more trash? Better be a written apology. See this. Oh, look how big you are. Oh, this is very nice. Hey, we gotta get this framed. Put up at the top of the fridge. I can't stay mad at you, can I?
I have sensitive nipples.
My nipples hurt. Oh, goodness me.
What about him?
Whatever you do, don't look down.
Huh? Here, they're corrupt and cruel. But hey, that's not my problem. I ain't gonna be here long. I've escaped 22 prisons. This one's no different. You're lucky the broad showed up, because otherwise me and Groot would be collecting that bounty right now, and you'd be getting drawn and quartered by Yondu and those Ravagers. Look at Mr. Smiles over here.
You like orange.
Where's your wife, old man? What a Class A prevert. Right, Groot? Good. Don't drink fountain water, you idiot. That's disgusting. Yes, you did. I just saw you doing it. Why are you lying? Quit smiling, you idiot. You're supposed to be a professional. Culinarily.
Now we're cooking. While nobody's looking.
I don't know what I'd do without you.
Yeah, we make a pretty good team. Culinarily. Oh, no.
You can't tell me what.
You've seen too much. You know what that means. Jenna! Jenna!
I'm begging you.
Whoa!
No, please.
Whoa! There must be some kind of peaceful resolution to this, fellas. Or even a violent one, where I'm standing over there.
Holy smoke. Get out of there, Connor. All right, I'm just gonna put the, that's the only way I can get out. All right, just look. Wall-to-wall raccoons. I'm not even try to count them. Okay, I'm gonna go over there and sit on the bench. Oh, stop it. Oh, they're really going at it, look. See, it's snowing out right now, and the temperature's low. Look, those grapes are gone, that whole bucket, just in 2 seconds. All right, guys, come on. Let's go. You ready? I'm gonna sit in the snow-covered bench. Holy smokes! Oh my God! Yes! 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 I'm wall-to-wall raccoons. You ready? Let's go. Oh my God.